Welcome to ASEAN MedTech Insights. Today we are diving deep into one of the most promising yet challenging markets in the region, Indonesia. Entering Indonesia's medtech market requires navigating a specific and non-negotiable regulatory hurdle. This is the requirement for a local authorized representative, or LAR, to register your device with the Ministry of Health. Foreign manufacturers cannot register their products directly. You must appoint a local entity to act on your behalf. This is not just a formality. The Indonesian LAR is legally responsible for your product within the country. This representative must hold a specific license known as the Izin Distribusi Alat Kesehatan, or IDAC, which is a medical device distribution license. Without this, they simply cannot register your product. The process also requires an ISO 13485 certificate for your manufacturing facility and a certificate of free sale from your country of origin. Choosing your LAR is a critical strategic decision. Many companies make the mistake of appointing a distributor as their representative. This can create significant problems. If you decide to switch distributors later, your product registration is tied to the original partner, leading to a complex and costly process of transferring the license, if it is even possible. Let's consider a real-world scenario. A European company developed an innovative cardiac monitoring device. They saw huge potential in Indonesia and quickly signed a deal with a local distributor, appointing them as their LAR to speed up market entry. The registration was successful. However, within 2 years, they discovered the distributor was not meeting sales targets and had poor post-market surveillance practices. When they tried to terminate the agreement and find a new partner, they hit a wall. The product license was owned by the distributor. Transferring it required the distributor's full cooperation, which was not forthcoming. The company faced a difficult choice: either start the entire registration process from scratch with a new partner, costing them more than a year in lost sales, or remain locked in an underperforming relationship. This illustrates the critical importance of appointing an independent, professional LAR, who is not your commercial distributor. An independent representative ensures you retain full control over your product license, providing the flexibility to adapt your commercial strategy as needed without jeopardizing your market access. It separates the regulatory compliance from commercial activities, which is a best practice for mitigating risk in complex markets like Indonesia. As you plan your expansion into Southeast Asia, understanding these local nuances is key to success. For expert guidance on navigating the regulatory landscapes in Indonesia and other global markets, you can email us or visit our website. Contact Pure Global at info@pureglobal.com or visit us at https://pureglobal.com.